Hey my friends, hope you're well. In today's video, I'm going to continue the subject of verb patterns. If you remember in my last video, I already mentioned a group of verbs that make the verb coming after them in the same sentence appear in the form of gerund. Verb plus ing. But in today's video, I'm going to introduce a group of verbs that make the verb coming after them appear in both forms, to plus infinitive and verb plus ing, the gerund, but with a big difference in meaning. It's not going to be the same. One of them is remember. Remember can appear in sentences with two different meanings, and each meaning can have a different effect on the preceding verb in the sentence. First, if remember means that you are reviewing a kind of memory or something you did or something that happened to you, like I remember throwing snowballs every time it snowed, or making a snowman, or playing outside after school when I was a kid. So this is a sort of memory that you're sharing with someone or reviewing. So in this case, we have remember doing something. In the other case, you use remember to speak about things that we need to do later without fail or without forgetting them. Like remember to turn off the light before you leave, or remember to make a phone call uh, before you knock off work. The same meaning is don't forget to. Don't forget to turn off the lights before you leave, or don't forget to make the phone calls before you knock off work. The next verb I'm going to share with you is try. Try can have two different meanings. First, when we do something as a possible solution, for example, I couldn't sleep last night, I tried counting sheep. Okay. Try eating sushi. Maybe you love it. Try eating it. So try sushi. Um, this is some new way or new method or a kind of action you take as a solution to something. But sometimes try is preceded with to plus infinitive to say that you put an effort in doing something. You try to eat your sushi. It means that you don't like it, but you have paid for it. Anyway, try to eat it. After, I desperately tried to open the bathroom door. I tried breaking its glass to get my way out. The next verb I'm going to share with you is stop. If you remember, in the case of start, begin, or commence, either of the verb forms were possible for the preceding verb, with no difference in meaning, and both of them were usual. But with stop is different. Stop plus gerund and stop plus infinitive can convey two completely different meanings. Now first look at these sentences. The wind has almost stopped to blow. That's wrong. You should say the wind has almost stopped blowing. Stopped blowing. Don't say, shall we stop drinking water? That's crazy. People will die without water. You should say, shall we stop to drink water? It means to stop whatever we are doing and have a glass of water. When we use an infinitive after stop, it indicates that we stop an action to do another action. When we use a gerund after stop, it indicates that something needs to be discontinued, like stop smoking, stop drinking alcohol. I stopped to shop on the way home. It means that I needed to do shopping. I stopped driving or stopped walking, went to the supermarket and started shopping, and then I went home. Or they stopped to talk to each other. Maybe they were walking and they saw each other, stopped walking and started talking. Uh, the other one, they stopped talking to each other. It means something happened, they are not friends anymore. What about using stop as a transitive verb? Look at these sentences first to clarify. We need to stop him to sing in the bathroom. We need to stop him from singing in the bathroom. As I mentioned already in another video, uh, when we are using stop means to prevent someone from doing something, we need to avoid using to plus infinitive. And the right form is the second one. We need to stop him from singing in the bathroom. I hope you like this video, and if you have any question or you need any more clarification about these verbs, please comment. And if you liked it, if you found it useful, don't forget to press the like button. See you in the next video and have a great time.